We're giving this small bathroom a makeover that's fit for a king. So this bathroom is shared by two teenage boys, ages 13 and 16. All of the fixtures and finishes are original to the house, which consists of a fiberglass all-in-one-piece tub and shower, along with linoleum flooring. The toilet has seen better days, now leaking and showing major signs of wear and tear. So my client has decided to do an entire bath renovation in 2 phases. What you're seeing now is phase 1. They replaced everything. New vanity with marble countertop, new mirror and light fixture, a brand new toilet, along with a new ceramic tile walk-in shower and floors. At this phase, the boys have been using it, and even though it's beautifully done, it's very plain and undecorated. That's where I come in for phase 2. As soon as you walk into the bathroom, we have a blank wall on the left. We'll need to put something here. Next, we have this area right above the toilet. Most people would put an over-the-toilet rack, but I have something else in mind. From this view, you can see how the toilet is just a little bit off-centered from the wall, but that's okay because I have a workaround for that. On this side, we have another small challenge. This bathroom has 2 entrances, one from the nearby guest room and one entrance from the hallway. So 2 doors. What can we do about that? When I was planning the design for this bathroom, I knew I wanted to warm up this cold space with some masculine colors and textures. I'm adding in some warm wood tones and some black matte accents to the existing gray and white color scheme. This 4-color combination is timeless and elegant, and it will add interest to the design. I'm staggering the floating shelves to offset the look of the toilet below being off-center. Challenge number 1, check. Problem solved. When placing functional items on the shelves, I make sure the contents don't compete with the color scheme. These clear glass jars with wooden lids are perfect to hold and display some bathroom necessities. I was even able to find some Q-tips with wood color stems instead of white ones. It's all in the details. For the back of the toilet, I found a mini wooden dough bowl to house some air freshener and some other manly accessories. To warm up the vanity counter, I'm using a wooden soap dispenser and a wooden toothbrush holder. I thought this would be a good spot for a black wall-mounted paper towel dispenser. This orange and ginger reed diffuser not only brings in that warm color, but also leaves a lovely lasting scent to the bathroom. These diffusers will last for months, but they can also be refilled with more essential oils. These monogrammed hand towels adds that classy touch, but I have to get the fold just right in order to get it to hang at the right distance above the toilet. Yeah, there, that's better. Much better. By the way, both boys' names begin with the letter B, so this is perfect. This is what we have so far, but I'm still moving a few things around. I purchased all these little accessories because they match. On the floor, I did a layered look with a brown croc-skinned pattern no-slip mat, along with a soft black cushioned rug to absorb the water when stepping out of the shower. And for that blank wall, I installed a large-scale canvas art piece with a personalized message that reads, "To my son, never forget that I love you. I hope you believe in yourself as much as I believe in you. When life tries to knock you down, this old lioness will always have your back. I can't promise to be here for the rest of your life, but I can promise to love you for the rest of mine. Love, Mom." How sweet. Are you ready to see the reveal of the entire space? Goodbye, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Hello, Young Kings. This new masculine bathroom is warm, elegant, and timeless. As the boys grow into young men, Mom will not have to redecorate to meet their growing needs. And even when they have the occasional overnight guest, it will be suitable for them as well. I forgot to mention that's a leather tissue box cover for more masculine texture on the vanity. Also, as you're looking at this canvas art, you may notice a shiny finish. That's the plastic. I do plan to remove that once I make sure that the design fits the mom's taste. You may notice I added in a wall clock and a green plant for balance, practicality, and scale. How do we solve the issue with the double doors? With a custom full-length art piece made especially with the boys in mind. Keeping with our color scheme and theme of young kings, I also chose this piece because it kind of looks like graffiti. It has a youthful, artistic feel with a grown-up message. This DIY is a fabric shower curtain cut in half, wrapped around foam board, and attached with Velcro. The door can still be easily opened and closed. So here's a reminder of how the space looked before. Now you're looking at the renovation of Phase 1. And finally, Phase 2, the completed space, all decorated with the theme From Boys to Young Kings. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and press the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Come back and see me again. I post videos on interior decorating, special events decor, and also gift ideas. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.